I'll get this grill painted. That's what the grill looks like without the dirty engine bay. Need to clean it up. I love that sound. Damn. TLX A-Spec. Let's see if we can use a race. Maybe not. Traffic's more active. Can they get a bite?
No.
Please?
Please. No!
Okay, alright, I'll give it back to you. Thank you though. You ready to go fast? Alright, there you are. That looks horrible. I think about getting this fog light from gray to like match the grill. Well, we'll see. Ooh.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.
The inner piece, this piece right here, the last piece that goes on top, I had to use a heat gun because this side was like sticking out and this side was actually in properly. I had to use a heat gun because I guess when he painted it, he baked it and it got deformed. So here it is. Time to go put it on.
Madison, I want you to write that sentence correcting the grammar.
Color's just right, man.
And that's T-H-E-R-E, not T-H-E.
Almost there. Check it out. Shit looks tight. Can't wait to finish it. Almost there. It's complete.